Good morning, children. Today we are going to see worksheet 13 and 14. Lesson number 4, Shelter of Animals, worksheet number 13. Key concepts: pet animals, nests of birds. Learning outcomes: know that the animals domesticated are called pet animals. Identifies that the birds build their nests on the trees. Know that the nests of all the birds are not similar. Conceptual understanding: the animals domesticated are called pet animals. We must be kind towards animals and birds. Question number 1. What are called pet animals? Give a few examples. The animals domesticated are called pet animals. Example: cat, dog, rabbit, parrot, etc. Name any 5 birds: parrot, crow, peacock, pigeon, and eagle. Number 3. Collect and fill the table with the information of pet animals of your friends. Name of the friend, name of the pet animals. First name is Ramu. Name of the pet is dog. Next name Sunil. Name of the pet is cat. Next name is Raji. Name of the pet is cat. Next name is Rama. Name of the pet is parrot. Next name is Raghu. Name of the pet animal is dog. Which animals are mostly pet? Cat and dog are mostly pet. Self-assessment number 13. Where do the birds build their nests? Birds build their nest in trees, bushes, etc. Number 2. Observe the pictures given below and color the animals that are domesticated. Cow, lion, hen, pig, cat, fish. Cow is a domestic animal. Lion is a wild animal. Hen is a domestic animal. Pig is a domestic animal. Cat is a pet animal. Fish also a pet animal. So, cow, hen and pig are domestic animals. So, you can color these animals. Number 3. What questions would you ask your elders to know about the nest of the birds? First question. What is the shelter of an owl? Answer is hole in the tree. Second question. Which bird's shelter is this? It is weaving bird's nest. Next question is, how does a pigeon make its nest? A pigeon makes its nest using twigs, grass, etc. Worksheet number 14. Same lesson, shelter of animals. Key concepts, migratory birds, birds, migration according to seasons. Learning outcomes, know that birds migrate from distant places in search of food and to find convenient places to live, and these types of birds are called migrant birds. Identify that some animals walk, some crawl, some jump, and some swim. The others fly to move from one place to another. Conceptual understanding. Birds migrate from distant places in search of food and to find convenient places to live, and these types of birds are called migrant birds. Some birds migrate to other convenient places to protect themselves from severe cold. First question, why do the birds migrate? Children, we have written this answer in classwork also. Again, I will repeat the answer. Birds migrate in search of food, to lay eggs, and to protect themselves from heat and cold during summer and winter seasons. Number 2, give a few examples for the animals that crow. Snake, earthworm, snail, etc. are a few examples for the animals that crow. Observe the picture and identify the parts that belong to different animals. Head, elephant. Ears, rabbit. Body, tiger. Tail, horse. Legs, donkey. Self-assessment number 14. Observe the pictures and fill in the table with the particulars. Animals that can fly. Parrot, parakeet, butterfly. Animals that can crawl. Snake, lizard. Animals that can jump. Frog, kangaroo. Who am I? Draw the picture. A. I live in water. I never sleep. I breathe with gills. Who am I? Who am I? You know the answer. Answer is fish. Down, you have to draw the picture. B. I have 4 legs. I say may, may. I eat leaves. Who am I? Who am I? You know answer? Yes, answer is goat. You should draw. Shall we wind up? Let us see in the next class. Take care, children. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.